Well, I have a little bit of a downside bias. I mean, I have been advocating booking of profits yesterday and even today. I think some churning can be done. I mean, it is not a time to go long the way it was a few days back. So choppiness around, I would go with a buy in Tata Communication, which is given a great clear breakout. So buy with a stop loss of 173.50, target of 195. A sell in JP Associates, which after the news has made a clear bearish pattern yesterday, a bearish engulfing pattern. So I would sell JP Associates with a stop loss of 40.50, target of 34. And in the FNO space, I would go with a sell in BHEL September futures, stop loss of 135, target of 125.
We are recommending a long in Cipla. Now if you look at Cipla has seen a consolidation for almost last 10 months after hitting its all-time high. It saw a very good consolidation between 425 to almost 370, 365 levels. Now this stock has crossed its all-time high with a very strong volume participation. Even in terms of open interest, we have seen a very consistent rise in the build-up. So we are expecting a good up move in Cipla from current levels. One can initiate a long position, keeping a stop loss below 430 for an upside target of 480 levels. Apart from that, DLF is one counter which has formed a double bottom formation on its weekly charts. So one can buy a DLF at current levels with a stop below 145. We are expecting a target of 165, 170 in next 3 to 5 trading sessions.
Well, for the day, Nifty must stay above 5865, resistance at 5916 and 5982, support at 5799 and 5748. Bank Nifty must stay above 10,195 and Cinex IT above 8291. BTST from yesterday, Tata Communication was a buy with a stop of 169, target of 185. Voltage was a buy with a stop of 69, target of 81. Yes Bank was a sell with a stop of 296, target of 278. Fresh calls, HCL Tech is a buy with a stop of 1050, target of 1125. Bharat Forge is a buy with a stop of 250, target of 272. PFC is a buy with a stop of 118, target of 134. Larsen is a buy with a stop of 795, target of 840. M&M Financial is a buy with a stop of 260, target of 282. And Lupin is a buy with a stop of 850, target of 900.
I have a sell on Biocon with a stop at 344.5, looking for a corrective decline to about levels of 325. A Dish TV, which had a good price and volume action day, can now be bought with a stop at 43.75 for a target of around 49. ITC is a buy, but I would here want to see the stock trading above 339. So buy above 339, keep a stop at 333.5 or so, and look for targets of around 354. Tata Motors, which has given a good corrective decline, now can be bought with a stop at 324 for targets of around 350. And Tech Mahindra was a sell call yesterday as well. It didn't decline much, but clearly the stock has gone into a corrective mode. So now can be sold with a stop at 1332 for targets of around 1270.